Kanong Thumai Youth All India Trinamool Congress hakash Pauterik Unai Lur 8,000 Arpoar kala Pynkup Burom daka Phan Nonglait Excellency Award 8,000 Arpoar ye kisan pesan Ngut Samla Pule jong Kanong Thumai constituency ki bala pas baha haki examen haki kerdan Pule baper nadu ka HSSLC SSLC bat ka degree hagani kesngi rasa miki khusnam shiki Samla Pule da MLA jong Kanong Thumai constituency uba Charles Pengrom Ubalalong kongsan hakajing dan rengkat lang urang basnong jaka nong hills uba banteli nari urang basnong kalum batengen uba MS bare rang basnong lum pengat uba S talang rang basnong kadam tring uba P dekhar rang basnong nong kriem uba B kriem ki kme ki kpa juki khanna pule bat kiwe de.
You have come here to this program to not only put your heads together but your hearts too. A wise man once said that a person who works with his hand is a laborer. One who works with his hand and brain is a craftsman. But a person who works with his head and his brain and his heart is an artist. So in the sphere of learning and education, ladies and gentlemen, my dear students, you are all artists, aiming to improve the quality of life, but as a person who always feels the pulse of the society, I can say your recognition as a professional will be lightened even more when you seek to improve the quality of life for common man. All grand thoughts came from the heart. Benjamin Franklin once said, a wise man from a fool, Benjamin Franklin distinguished, a wise man from a fool with the help of a heart. He said, and I quote, if your heart is in your mouth, you are a fool. If your mouth is in your heart. So I'll tell you a small anecdote about a student. The child went to school and came home that day. And his mother asked him, what did you learn today? He replied, not enough, because I have to go back tomorrow to school. Now today, the government has given us the most dedicated teachers, supporting parents, and best institutions. And we need to take full advantage of this to be a responsible pillar of society.
The ear and the fingers. The eyes. With the technology which is going rampant nowadays, social media and all this, how we use our eyes in the screen, what type of program we see, it affects our attitude, our behavior. Right? How we use our fingers, sometimes we shift channel with our fingers. That also depend on or influence our attitude and our behavior. And the third one is the ear, the eyes, the fingers and the ear. How we hear. Gossiping is one way which influences attitude and behavior. So we should be able to use these three things, eyes, fingers and ears. And the secret to use them is three things. Again, if anything comes to your mind, or to your eyes, or to your ear, or to your finger, pause. Pause. What can I do for this? What is my response to this? After you have paused, then you ponder. You ponder. What will be my response? How shall I deal with this? And the third one is regret. These three things which influence our life: pause, ponder,